Unboxing time. Ooh. Ooh. I got a polishing cloth. Very, very handy. My screen is actually really marked up with fingerprints because I always... This is what it looks like. I got it in space gray, the silver. This is the MacBook Pro 2025 with AI intelligence, M4 chip, 16 gig memory, 512 gig storage, 14-inch, 10-core CPU, 10-core GPU, liquid retina XDR display. I didn't get the nano, whatever, the new thing that makes it clear, because they always come out with a new thing. They just had M3 that I had my eye on with the M3 chip, and then I like it, the new box. She's perfect. I'm gonna get a case for it too from Amazon. I have my eye on it. Camera sees first. The camera sees everything first. So pull this up. This is what you see. Got a plug. Designed by Apple in California. California brand. Ooh, she's substantial. She is thick. She can edit. She can do a lot. I'm gonna get her a case so she doesn't get scratched. I like this big MacBook Pro and the embossing. I'm so happy. I deserve this. I worked so hard for this. And it's a big, thick one, powerful, still pretty lightweight. If I have it in a case, I would feel much better about it. And then I would need a work tote. I have a work tote. I have this bag in case I have in mind for it. This is, wow, oh my. Oh, she's so brand new. What should I call her? I like the new display. I like the keys aren't complicated. I feel like past 2022, they had the really serious keys felt smashed. The keys felt super smashed in together. I feel like they're a little bit bigger, it's more prominent, it's easy to see, it's cleaner, it's simpler. Love, love, love it. Okay, so I'm gonna set this up. Hello, gorgeous. This came in the mail today from Amazon. This is this Light Sage MacBook Pro 2025 case. It has the finger ID, Touch ID space, which I'm really happy because I just yesterday was eating and a bunch of mochi powder got on my keyboard. I'm on my second coffee right now, and I was also thinking in a different language because I had a language lesson this morning. So I'm thinking, we speak in 3 languages, my tutor and I. My brain is just fried, I think is what is going on. Ground school, language class, practicing piano, doing some reading, and then working. I'm doing 1 full-time job plus 2 businesses, and then I'm studying at the same time, and then I have to clean up after 3 people. And people are wondering, well, how come you don't do this? You're at home all day. And I'm saying, I have to work all day. This computer is so powerful to the point that it's so smooth. And I have 4 different Google Chrome accounts out, while I have 50 tabs open on each. That's on a light, easy day. So I'm working on multiple projects at a time. One client will call me while the other one is calling me, and I'm doing a Zoom call for my own personal thing, and opening and closing all these things. So this is a really powerful piece of technology, this MacBook Pro. It handles a lot. And I feel like the newer the MacBook Pro becomes, the smoother it gets. Even when you click off, it doesn't just shut off right away. It glides out and fades into the background. It's really elegant. I love this case. It comes in multiple colors. I'm also gonna purchase more colors because there are different designs I like from different companies on Amazon. And I also got this. I'll have everything linked below. This little quilted little cloud of laptop bag. It comes with this pouch, and I actually tested it. I tried it out. Also, this comes with a screen protector. I put it on multiple times. I tried, and it just became bubbly because I hate screen protectors and applying them myself unless it looks crooked. But then I was trying to get it as straight as possible, but it just got so many bubbles. And The only time that it doesn't have bubbles is when it's crooked, and then it'll bug me the rest of the time I have it. So I just took it off, and it also came with this polish for the screen, and this also fits on the inside. So in case for reference, I love this because it's so aesthetic, it's cute, it actually protects it. The quilting is cushiony, and the inside has like this synthetic material that's super soft, velour. It makes me feel very at peace, especially when I need to go to work. I just bring this as a briefcase as opposed to bringing a giant tote bag. And I can put this in a tote bag. I can travel with it because it's still compact. It matches all my outfits. And I can say, for example, I was looking at so many different cases on Amazon for this MacBook, and I realized, you know what? I can't decide. So this is just like $20 about, and I can go out in a different outfit anytime I feel the mood to change this up. Because sometimes I feel like, I used to think, say for example, I used to wear a lot of white, head to toe, all white outfits, and then I would have a dark bag, and I feel like it just stands out. You can have that differentiation, that pop of contrast, which is fine, but say if you're wearing a really moody burgundy outfit and then you have like this little cutesy aesthetic sage green. I love this light green. I love this mint pistachio and light blue, baby blue colors. It's just super chic and cute. I don't know, I feel like my tech has to be cute and friendly as opposed to being moody and dark and edgy. I think that's good for outfits, but for my tech is always cute and fun and airy and light. I don't know why. It's serious because it's like, oh, you really care about your tech. And I am doing a lot more coding, so I feel like it's fun to look at. The ventilation for the fan, I'm really happy about this. It's so cute, and I cannot get over this. I can eat at my desk while I work, so I'm really excited. And let me know what you think in the comments below. It was either this or a baby blue one, and I also love lila. Lila is so pretty. It makes me feel calm, at peace, like nature. Makes me think of matcha. So Adam says mucha, so ever since I call matcha mucha. And it has all the plugs, by the way. The latest MacBook Pro that I had didn't have all the plugs, or maybe it's because they were MacBook Airs. So this has obviously a much more powerful processor. The last MacBooks I had, the last two were Airs. I'm looking at them right now, they're old. And they're very useless because one screen is cracked and then the other one is useless, it's a brick. I have an SD that fits a micro SD so that it can read and act like a micro SD if you don't have a proper SD size, which is brilliant. I'll have it linked below. And it has USB-C, then it has, what is this, HDMI? And then it has the actual charger. So, and then two more USB-Cs, and then the plug for audio, and 3 USB-Cs. So that means you can plug either way. I've tested it out with a USB charger on either side, but it comes with its own Apple MacBook Pro charger. MacBook Airs only need the USB-C from last that I knew. The last ones I had, I just used USB-C and it worked out perfectly fine. I like to go for 70 to 90 watts. Here in the United States, that's typically what we use. I know it's a bit low, it's a bit slow, and then some chargers that I bought from Amazon will be either 60 to 70 watts. Usually the more accessible one that I keep finding that is the most power and is the one with the thread so that it doesn't wear as fast versus the rubber wire. They're usually around 60. So that's something to keep in mind, and I'll have all the accessories linked below. I'm really excited because I feel like I can take this anywhere, and right now I'm looking for a travel tote that fits everything. I can put my water bottle, I can put my keys, put a little cosmetics bag, some camera gear, wires, all the things. I'm so glad I got this. This was definitely worth the splurge. Instead of getting an iMac, because I don't even have a desk yet, we're figuring out how we're gonna decorate our new place, and this is ideal for me right now. I have this for work, and then I also I don't have to worry about setting up another whole computer situation. I had so much fun setting up the wallpaper, just the desktop alone, but I feel like I could do a bit more with that, still figuring things out. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments below. I will try to answer them as well as I can, aside from what Google says and personal reviews, but I'm going to also customize my MacBook a little bit more because I want to have a lot more fun with this. This is my workspace, this is my home, my livelihood, and my comfort, so it's really important to me. For those of you who love being on the computer or work in computers or just enjoy making things pretty, subscribe and click the bell to see those videos coming out. I am going to change the setting of the wallpaper and the mood boards on the desktop. Stay tuned for that. If you check out the links below, visit my blog legiagarcia.com. Follow me at legiagarcia at Instagram, on Instagram. Don't forget to subscribe, click the bell, tell all your friends, and watch this several thousand times. It's 100% free. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you later.